Flooding in Jnims has resulted to various inconveniences to public in accessing healthcare services. Due to flooding, Jnims has postponed a kidney transplant that was scheduled on September 19th onwards. Some of the hospital complex continues to reel under floodwater. SKTV chief reporter Jnims Premchand brings a special report.
Sudden deluge from September 12 resulted to swelling of water at Iril and Kongva rivers. The flood water overflowed at some stretch, while there were breach of river banks at certain stretch of these rivers. This led to inundation of various low-lying areas in and around the river basin, including the Jnims, which has just recovered from a flood in past 2 months or so. On the night September 16, about 424 patients who were admitted in the hospital had to be shifted due to flooding, including those under ventilators at ICU. This has caused huge burden and inconvenience to patients who mostly belong to underprivileged families.
Especially in Jnims was catering more than 1,000 patients per day of OPD cases who were receiving conservative or any other specific treatments, many operations, and patients, more than 400 patients per day in the casualty ATC has been debarred of this service because of the closure of the hospital due to the overflooding and the water dripping inside and covering all the ground floor of the hospital, disrupting the electrical supply and the potable water supply, and hampering the radiological interventions or investigations.
The operation of OPD has also stopped due to the flood. Above that, normal operations and a kidney transplant that was scheduled tomorrow have been postponed owing to flood situation in the hospital, creating a situation and hardships to patients and their families.
One very important point is that we, Government Institute in Manipur, who has given 66 kidney transplants. So one patient was slotted for his kidney transplant on 19, which has been debarred because of this closure of this hospital.
Jnims in recent times has faced flood situations on several occasions. Considering its location at low-lying area, relevant authority needs to take up mitigation and preventive measures to ensure that future flood do not affect this hospital, which caters to thousands of patients on daily basis.
Planners and the experts from all the fields may be invited or may be suggested so that future occurrence of such type or such degree of the flood, which will result into the closure of the hospital as well as the teaching institute, may be averted on time.
This is the impact of last flood, where patients at Jnims Hospital had to be evacuated and leaving the hospital abandoned. In the future, authorities must address this issue as Jnims is a vital health institution in the state. With the changing of rainfall pattern, this kind of incidents could occur again anytime. So, concerned authority should look into the matter seriously. This is Jnims Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Jnims Hospital, Imphal East.